I have to open my eyes. What are y'all doing?
Watching me be an idiot.
Wait, where'd you go? Ah! That feels so good. Like it really feels good. Do I look like a bee? Oh.
They're falling!
Stop!
Did you swallow one? Did you swallow one?
I almost did. Who put them down my throat?
I didn't mean to.
Actually, I could have choked and died.
If you could swallow a piece of ice, I'm pretty sure these wouldn't bother you.
I'm not picking those up. Y'all did.